So hello everyone. So basically we are doing a tutorial video on the app called TextLock. Okay, so first of all you need to open this app, download it from the Play Store and open this app. After opening there will be a screen called skip and open video. So if you want to learn how to use this app, you can go to and click on the open video, and it will give a clear tutorial how to use this. Let me explain it to you how it works. So suppose you are writing a text to someone's closed one, but you don't want to tell anyone or let anyone know what you are texting. Okay, so there should be a, what do you call, if you let me write it here, how are you. I have written it here, but you don't want to send this text to anyone else and you don't want to make this visible to any other one. So it will be a private message or a chat that you want to do with your close friends or to the companies whom you don't want to let anyone know. Okay, so let me give a password over here. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I have given a password. I have written a text, hi, how are you, and here I have added a password. Okay, then you have to click on encrypt text. After clicking it, here you can copy as well as you can share it to any chatting platform. So I have copied it, so I don't need to share it. So I have copied. After going to the WhatsApp, I have pasted the link here. After sending it, the one who has received the message, he or she will be copying it from here. Again go back to the text, then you have to click on the decrypt emojis. Okay, after clicking it, here you have to paste it, the thing which you have copied, you have to paste it, and the same password which you have given earlier, you have to do it, paste it here, write it here, 1 2 3 4 5. Then you have to click on decrypt emojis. See, the one which the text which I have wrote in previous way, the same way it have displayed it here. So these are the basic tips how you can improve your privacy, as well as you can chat with your closed one or whatever you want to send. But yes, this is how our app works. Thank you everyone.